Yes, some big news coming in. Political battle intensifies over BSF jurisdiction issue between BJP and the TMC in Bengal. Now, BJP MLAs under leadership of Suvendu Adhikari will go to BSF headquarters in Kolkata and greet them. 2 days ago, in fact, West Bengal Assembly had passed a resolution against centre's notification increasing territorial jurisdiction of BSF to 50 kilometers. Let me cut across to Prema Rajaram joining us for more on that. Prema, it seems like the BSF jurisdiction battle still rages on between the BJP and TMC in Bengal. Now, BJP MLAs under the leadership of Suvendu Adhikari will be going to the BSF headquarters in Kolkata there to greet them. West Bengal Assembly has already passed a resolution against the centre's notification against increasing territorial jurisdiction of the BSF by 50 kilometers. What more do we know that's happening there?
The political battle intensifies over the BSF, the jurisdiction being increased from 15 to 50 kilometers. The state and Mamata Banerjee government says that this is interference with the law and order situation of the state. However, the BSF has clarified, saying that they have limited powers when it comes to them arresting or apprehending somebody. That is something that they can do, or seizing something. But the rest, as far as the FIR, etc. is concerned, that has to be implemented by the state police. So BSF has clarified that aspect. The BJP supports the amendment of the BSF Act, which was implemented last month, but the state government here is opposing that. Even though the resolution has been passed in the West Bengal Assembly, the BJP says that there is no merit to that resolution being passed in the Assembly, considering the fact that the implementation of the centre's notification is already underway, and hence the battle between the BJP and the TMC intensifies over the BSF issue. Back to you, Nabila.
Thank you very much, Prema, for joining us with those details.